Bye. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. Your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregating news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking. Look, it's going to be smoking. Look, it's going to be swearing. Look, you've been warned. So look, here I come in 3. Look, 2. Look, 1. Bang. Welcome, everybody. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. My name is Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. The greatest show on earth. The greatest show. Bang in the multiverse. Yes. Greatest show in the daggone multiverse. Oh, we're here with you tonight on election night. Election night in America, motherfucker. Look. All right, election night in America. So we got to hurry this up because I got to go watch this. It's 5:45 right now. So I got to hurry up and get this done, get this uploaded. I got people coming over. We're going to watch and see what goes down. Look, what's going down around these parts. So let's hurry up. Let's talk what we're going to talk about. So we're going to talk about buying VeChain protects the trade conference from Corona. We're going to talk about that. That's a small little thing. It's like a one-time event thing, but whatever. A Mongolian bank is offering crypto services. Yeah. Look at you, Mongol. Didn't know you were all cool like that. Thought you guys were up there just breeding yaks. And then our brother at the OCC, that's the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, he says there's going to be more crypto banks coming. Yeah. So we're going to read about that. Yeah. So look, let's proceed how we proceed with a little bit of look. Bang. Yes. See, we're working around these parts. See what we are working with around these parts. We got Bitcoin, 13,789. All right. When I left you on Saturday, the big dog was at 13,744. So we've gone up $45. Oh, yeah. Screaming, roaring market. All right, look. Let's see what the market moves of the day are. Usual song. Single digits up to single digits down. Look, single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Whoops. Whoa, what the hell happened there? Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, whoops. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Look at VeChain, under a penny. It's been making a slow slide over the past little while. Maybe we can get it back down at 0.003. Look! Oh, yeah. $3,000 will get you a node. Wow, if it goes to 0.003. All right, single digits up, single digits down, 2. Single digits up, single digits down. All right, let's see who lost money today. If you see anything on here you like, go get it because it is on sale. Let's see who we're working with. Let's see what the sales are today. Bang! Oh, I heard there was some bullshit with that sushi swap thing. Top 10 losers. Sushi Swap, Bitcoin Diamond, Avalanche, Reserve Rights, A, Veneer Protocol, Yearn Finance, VeChain, Uniswap, and Loopring. All right, let's see who made money today. Top 10 gainers, not much. Top 10 gainers, Numeraire, The Midas Touch, Augur, Ampleforth, ABVC Coin, Nano, Energy Web Token, Raven Coin, Decred, and Siacoin. Let's see what the total market cap is. All right, total market cap is $397 billion even. And when I left you on Saturday, we were at $401 billion even. So we've gone down $4 billion. Let's see what the 24-hour volume is. All right, 24-hour volume is $83.8 billion. When I left you on Saturday, we were at 81.3. Sorry. $83.8 billion is today's market cap. Volume, 24-hour volume. When I left you on Saturday, it was 81.3 in 24-hour volume. And so we've gone up 2.5. Wait, is that right? Yes, we've gone up $2.5 billion. All right. Look, all right, let's get to the stories. Let's see what we're working with. All right, number one, what we got here? VeChain protects participants of the world's largest trade conference against Corona. So it's a one-time event. It's just a conference. It's the largest trade conference in China. I think this might be the trade conference that they went to last year. So last year I showed you guys, we did a story on some mega trade conference. Like Xi Jinping was even there. So was Emmanuel Macron, the French president, right? And it was funny because they were both telling each other about VeChain. Macron was like, hey, you've got this great company called VeChain. And Xi Jinping was like, yeah, I know. Actually, I wanted to talk to you about VeChain right now. And they ate a piece of VeChain beef. Not VeChain beef, but beef that was tracked on the VeChain Thor blockchain, which came from, and they drank some wine, beef and wine, which came from France. I don't know. I think this might be the same conference, and now VeChain's actually being used at the conference for Corona protection. Yeah, it was pretty funny. Both presidents last year were kind of shilling VeChain to each other. All right. Let's check it out. All right, I might not read every word of every single story, right? Because I got to bounce, man. I got to go watch these elections. All right, despite the worldwide rage of coronavirus, this year's China International Import Expo will take place in Shanghai, China from November 5th to the 10th. Oh, it's already over. Oh, no, it hasn't started. Sorry, November. China was the first country in the world to take strict measures to prevent the effects and spread of coronavirus, COVID-19. To ensure safety and sufficient infection control at the conference, technology from VeChain will be used. Okay, so they're using the MyCare thing. We've read about MyCare a million times, so maybe we're not going to read every single word. VeChain announced through its blog that the only luxury hotel located directly in the heart of the National Exhibition and Convention Center, NECC, will use the MyCare solution presented by VeChain and DNVGL. So MyCare, all right, hold on, let me just read it. Already in May this year, both partners developed the MyCare solution based on the VeChain blockchain to significantly improve infection risk management. MyCare supports companies in the assessment, management, and containment of infection risks and is designed to increase confidence in the fight against the coronavirus. MyCare is already being used by high-profile players in the hotel industry, including Honkai State Guest House, Sushao, Gingshan Hotel, and ITC Hotels India. MyCare uses the VeChain toolchain to provide the best possible security and transparency for all involved players. All right, so let me just explain what it is. How it works is they have a bunch of QR codes set up around the hotel or whatever facility you are, and all the cleaners, all the people who do the cleaning in that, they have to say what they cleaned and how they cleaned it and put it on the blockchain. And so when a guest scans that QR code, say that's by the elevator, they can scan it and they can see your elevator was cleaned 45 minutes ago using this detergent. Like it gets really specific, even down to the bleach they use. All right, so that's how that works. Bang, 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 bang. All right, so look, powered by VeChain toolchain, MyCare enables these hotels to present immutable and trustworthy information stored on the VeChain Thor blockchain, including the verified infection risk management readiness report issued by DNVGL. So the general manager of the Intercontinental Shanghai Honghua NECC, I know I pronounced it wrong, but let's move on, man. Christoph Hoflich explained that the use of MyCare gives hotel guests added confidence and proves without manipulation that the hotel establishment has taken important measures in the fight against the coronavirus. According to Hoflich, the use of MyCare has had a positive impact on the number of bookings and has significantly improved the security feelings of the hotel guests. VeChain CEO Sunny Liu stated that both MyCare and the use of VeChain Thor 2 chain paved the way for the mass adoption of this new technology. We're happy that so here's what he says. We're happy that our technology is able to assist in the fight against COVID-19 to reassure hotel guests of their safety. With VeChain toolchain, we have great confidence to provide standardized and trustworthy blockchain toolkits for enterprise users to reach their own business goals. So, good stuff. MyCare is used by other heavyweights in the industry, such as Carrefour, ArcelorMittal, or the third largest pasta producer in the world, Dikeko. Hold on. All right, and then that tumor thing, we read this tumor thing already. So, bang, there you go. So, anyways, big conference, big hotels are using it. So, these are big 5-star hotels being used for these trade conference guys coming in. And they're going to use the VeChain MyCare solution at a bunch of hotels there. And so, oh, there it is. Use case and being used. So, there we go. Let's move on. Mongolian Bank TDB to begin offering crypto services. So, obviously, Mongolia is not the mega. They're not mega, right? So, I mean, but we need all countries to come on the crypto train. All countries. And so, whether they're black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew, daggone all of them. Big or small, north, south, east, west. That's what I should have said. Sorry. Countries aren't black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim. All right. And so, here's one. So, Mongolia is doing it, right? And what I like about this is you can see now that the banksters, proper banks, are starting, once the OCC, and we're going to read about the OCC right in a second, right after this story. But you notice once here in America, our OCC unleashed our banks. That's a signal to the world. And so now the world is, right? Because their banksters have been begging, but they kind of wait around to see what America does, right? And now America unleashed our banks. They're like, all right, well, look, banksters, have at it. Right? We read about Kasha opening, 23 physical banks in India last week, right? Yeah, be able to walk in with your paycheck, open a bank account, walk in with your paycheck and say, look, I want half my check in regular fiat, the rupee. That's Indian money, is called the rupee. I want half my money in rupees. And then, I want the rest in Bitcoin and have it in a bank account. That's what soccer mom and dad are going to love. Right? When you put it in your bank. Fuck, I can't wait to put my crypto in my bank. Get it off these ledgers and shit. And if there's a problem, I can call a 1-800 number and just have my problem solved real quick. Daggone it. Look, all in due time, brothers. Next year, you'll see. Next year, I bet you a bunch of American banks start offering bank accounts with crypto custody and start advertising it. Because that's the deal, right? Advertising it. Well, for us, in just terms of the market in general, the more soccer mom and dad see banksters, real banksters that they trust, talking about this space, talking about crypto, well, now it's real, right? It's not their kid with green hair and a nose ring in the basement telling them, hey, mom, you should get into crypto. Nah, they're bankster. It's like, yes, ma'am, we do custody your Bitcoin. You custody the Bitcoin? You mean that crap that my lazy son talks about? Yes, ma'am. Oh. You see, it changes her attitude, obviously, right? All right, let's just move on, though. I hope this isn't a picture of the bank right here. I'm just kidding. That's just some nomadic Mongolian tribe. All right, look. Follow. That's the Mongolian crypto bank. See the picture right there? There it is. There's the crypto bank. Actually, that's a pretty nice setup. Look at him. He's got his solar power here. So this guy's probably got internet and shit in there. All right. Come on, let's I got to go. I keep forgetting. You know, I love talking to you guys, man. I'll sit here for fucking hours. I'll miss the whole election. I got to hurry up, though, because I have people coming over. All right, so I have to remember that. Let's go. So following the path of other global financial institutions who recently shown interest in digital currency, Mongolia's largest bank has announced plan to begin offering crypto services to its users. So there's the bank right there. I'm just kidding. That's not the bank. That's not the bank. That's not the bank, guys. I'm just being a dick. All right, look. Stop fooling around. According to the announcement, look, settle down, boys. You're having too much fun now. Settle down. Settle down. It was a funny picture, but now settle down. You're having too much fun. All right. So look, according to the announcement, Mongolia's largest bank, the fuel's kicking in now. Mongolia's largest bank, Trade and Development Bank, TDB, has disclosed plans to begin offering crypto-related services. It explained that support for crypto custody, bang, deposits, bang, loans. Look, this deserves a bang. Hold on. It explained that support for crypto custody, bang, deposits, loans, daggone, remittance, and digital asset management will be added via the new initiative. Bang, full service crypto. Daggone right, full service crypto management. Exactly. You can have your digital assets in your bank account. Nice and safe. Daggone. All right, hold on. I see where this night's going already. So the new initiative would be launched by the Mongolian Bank TDB. In partnership with blockchain firm Hexland and popular white label tech company Dello. The report also disclosed that other blockchain firms, such as Mongolian blockchain and mineral resources firm MDKI, will also be providing unique services to the bank's crypto initiative. Additionally, other members of the new initiative would also be providing their own unique additions. Hexland would deliver blockchain smart contract development and verification services, as well as wallet development services and several other solutions. Daggone it, the bank? Smart contract development from your bank? The fuck? I guess if the smart contract needs a bank account for what it does, I don't know, I'm just guessing. Look, Mongolian Bank bringing crypto-related services to citizens. The bank has indicated that plans are currently in motion to start offering customers services such as project loans, trade loans, finance consulting, and several other crypto-related services. However, it should be pointed out that the actual date of the launch of the crypto initiative has not yet been announced. So it's worth noting that TDB, the Ulaanbaatar-based Mongolian bank, isn't just one of the largest banks in Mongolia, but also one of the oldest banks. It boasts of having over 50 branches across the country, which would offer the country's roughly 3 million citizens access to crypto-based products. There's only 3 million people who live there. Invariably increasing digital currency adoption and growth globally. Well, by maybe 3 million people. Anyways, though, notably, Mongolia has not been a crypto-friendly country from the get-go, with several reports on the crackdown on mining companies in the country. However, with the new initiative, it has disclosed changes in its stance and is currently embracing digital currency. Recently, the country is making huge strides in the crypto space with its partnership with the South Korean blockchain firm Terra to unveil the Terra stablecoin. Mongolia has also granted regulatory approval to a telecoms operator to issue a digital currency back in 2018. And blah, 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 the global growth. You know that the Bahamas, they released the sand dollar and blah, blah, blah. China is, blah, 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 building and building and building. And look, all right, enough. Mongolia. Bang, there you go. Economic giant Mongolia offering crypto. But I know it sounds silly. It's only, 3 million people did they say were in Mongolia? Fuck. That's just barely, it's barely anything. But the fact that even you're seeing, what I would like you to take away from this story is this. It's not only the big dogs Even small little countries out there. I bet you Guatemala is looking into it. Ecuador is looking into it. Just little countries out there. Everybody, the world is going to be locked. The world banking system is going to offer crypto services one day. All of them. Every fucking bank. It's going to be normal after a while. Right now, obviously, it's brand new. I mean, our OCC just allowed our banksters to do it. What was that, fucking 8 weeks ago, I think about not even a quarter ago, not even 3 months ago. So it's all starting, and that's what the beauty is, because once that starts, well, first of all, it's a safer place to just have your stuff because it's in regulated custody. So there you go. Once your Bitcoin is at your bank account, well, first of all, it'll never get hacked or stolen, first of all. I mean, and even if by some miracle it did, well, you just call the 1-800 number and get your money back, right? Hi, I didn't make that purchase. Bang, get your money back or get your crypto back. And so that's the beginning of real, like, if you want to talk about, I always tell you guys this thing. Like I always tell you, mass adoption, this concept of mass adoption of people actually using Bitcoins to buy coffee and stuff. That's never going to happen. But soccer mom and dad tucking a little money away, even forget the funds, forget the 401ks and the other funds that I tell you that's when mass adoption, real. But even just imagine you're a soccer mom and dad and you wouldn't mind owning some Bitcoin. You wouldn't mind owning some Ethereum. But you don't want to do it on this Coinbase and this, like all these little weird little crypto things, but you would do it at your Bank of America. Here in America, that's a bank. Bank of America account, your Wells Fargo account, your TD Bank account. You guys over there in the UK, in your Lloyds of London account. You boys in Spain and Europe, Santander account. Yeah, a soccer mom and dad will do that. Abso-fucking-lutely. Right? Especially the way that we read it, the way Kasha is going to do it in India. You're going to literally be able to walk in, with your paycheck and be like, here, I'd like to deposit my check. I'd like half of it in rupees, in fiat. Just forget whatever country you're in. So just whatever country you're in, I'd like to have half my paycheck in fiat and put the rest in Bitcoin. Right? You don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin. Yeah, buy a couple $100 worth, $1,000 worth. Every paycheck, it adds up. It all adds up. Right? That's where I see your mass adoption is going to come with like I said, no one's going to be fucking buying coffee with crypto unless you're a fucking idiot wasting your money on that. Why would you do that? You just use your regular fiat money. But that's where you're going to get it. Like once soccer mom and dad understand the gains that are possible from Bitcoin, like I said, they'll have it in their 401ks. That is going to be standard procedure here in America to have a 401k with some Bitcoin, Ethereum, some exposure to digital assets. But like I said, if it's not the 401k part, like not the funds, it's not a 401k, IRA, student retirement fund that soccer mom and dad invests in for Bitcoin and Ethereum, it'll be this. It'll be like what we read with the India banks. Yeah, they'll just walk in and decide, yeah, well, I'll just accumulate. I take half my paycheck, right? Worker bee check. I take my check. Yeah, half of it, I want it in regular fiat. And then the other half, I want it in Bitcoin. You'd be able to buy it from your own bank. Now, that's not what it says is here in America. So I'm not going to bullshit anybody, right? Obviously, I'm not going to lie to you. But here in America, they can custody it. Well, if you can fucking custody it, you're probably going to start selling it too. Well, if you start, just like the Indian banks, right? The Indian banks are going to sell it. Oh, okay. That's why I should make that point. Right? We read that in Kasha, the Indian banks are going to sell crypto to their customers. Well, if you're going to sell crypto, well, you have to own the crypto. In other words, you have to take them off the market, creating scarcity. See what I'm saying? And so I guess to wrap this whole thing up, what I'd like to say is the influx of the banksters now. Yes, it's finally going to get this. Globally, the banksters in Mongolia, the banksters here in America now are allowed to custody. Yes, as they influx, as they come in, and start offering these sort of services, that's where we're really going to get a version of mass adoption. What some crypto people call mass adoption is buying coffee with crypto. What I call mass adoption is soccer mom and dad having it in a bank account and soccer mom and dad having it in their 401ks. And that is going to happen. That's mass adoption. All right. Someone's at my fucking door. Hold on a second. All right. Fuck. That was my girl from Russia, man. She just got back. She was over there for 5 months. Fuck. Her fucking dad got corona, man. And there's a second wave of the shit over there. And they can't. There's not a hospital bed. He had to stay at home. Fuck. All right. Yes. That's the shit. All right. Anyway, she's back here, nice and safe and sound. Yeah, she's Russian. She's a model. Yeah. She has a math degree, and I'm like, you're so smart. Why don't you do some math? She's like, there's no jobs in math, but she's so hot. She's like, so I'm just a model. Look, but she's actually super. She's a brainy. Oh yeah, little smarty pants. All right, guys, but let's get back to our Mongolian crypto bank. Bang. So. To wrap up that little sort of thing I went on with the banking system, this is it, guys. Now that the banks are coming in globally, worldwide, now the banks are starting to step up and offer services and truly legitimize this space, offer safety for soccer mom and dad to feel safe, and me, fuck. Daggone, I feel safe as soon as my bank offers me custody of my crypto. I'm doing it day one. And so good news. And since we're talking about banking in the crypto industry, or for the crypto industry, I guess we should say, let's talk about this. Bang! More crypto banks incoming, says the OCC's Brian Cook. So, for new people, the OCC is the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency here in America. Oh, yeah. This guy, Brian Brooks, right here. That's our brother right here. Everybody give him a high five. Everybody send him something for Christmas. Bye, Mr. Brooks. Look. Bye. Whoops. I'm trying to steal his bang. Oh, they're just not going to let me bang him alone. Bang. There we go. I had to do it quietly. Bang. Yes. Mr. Brooks, that's our boy at the OCC, folks. That's our boy at the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency. And he is the guy who unleashed. Oh, yeah. He unleashed. American banking crypto custody. Look. Now he's got a little yap here. It's not all good yap. But it ain't bad. So let me get a sip. Let's check out that guy right there, Brian Brooks. Everyone send him a little Christmas present this week. This year. Little bottle of wine. Little box of cigars. I'll show your appreciation. Show your fucking appreciation of this man. Bang! Love you, Brian Brooks. Look. Oh, yeah. Gotta love him. And so this guy, he's the chairman of the OCC, the Office of the Comptroller of Currency here in America. He used to be the legal advisor for Coinbase. So look. We got one on the inside. That's how you do it. That's how you run an insurgency, boys. You plant boys on the inside. Oh, yeah. That's how it goes down. That's how it be. It's how you do. So we got him on the inside, and look. Right away, he started licking shots. Bang! Look. Everyone can custody. Look. Oh, yeah. All right, but in all seriousness, I mean, that was serious, but said in a fucked up way. But in all seriousness, this guy right here, he opened up every American bank to custody in crypto. And they're daggone well going to do it. They're all gearing up for the stable coins, the CBDCs, the custodying of your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, and your other coins when they finally get regulated. And so this is our brother from another mother. Look. Let's check him out. So Brian Brooks, the acting comptroller of the currency, made waves today after he stated that crypto companies need to mature and develop risk management tools, as well as BSA/AML tools in order to work well with banks. During a recent podcast, as expected, the statement wasn't taken well by some who have been dissuaded from the need to enforce compliance solutions. So, look, if you're a little crypto rebel, you probably don't like hearing this talk. Well, I don't give a fuck about you, little crypto rebel, because that's what's going to happen. We are going to professionalize this space. This space is going to be professional, just like the daggone stock market. Oh, yeah, stock mom and dad are going to come in here and buy all their goods from us who already have the goods, right? So, stop your fucking crying. Look! What is also interesting, however, is that books reveal that at the administration's highest levels, there is a split opinion in crypto, adding that the trend is looking positive for the industry. With regard to the split of opinion within the administration, so that'd be the Trump administration. Oh, yeah, which we're going to find the verdict about tonight, aren't we? Fucking right. All right, I got to hurry up. I forgot. Look! Within the administration, he's perhaps referring to Steve Mnuchin. You all know Steve Mnuchin, U.S. Secretary of the Treasury, who recently moved to introduce stricter regulations for crypto. In fact, he had told lawmakers that these regulations around digital currencies will help expose secret accounts and nefarious activities. We're going to find those miscreants. While Mnuchin's view is different from his own, Brooks drew attention to people like Commissioner Hester Pierce. You know Hester Pierce, she's known as Crypto Mom in the SEC. In the SEC, she's the only one who votes for crypto stuff. But then she gets outvoted by the other four members. And so, fuck. That's why we don't have that's why we don't have any Bitcoin ETFs yet. Here's one example. And Chairman Heath Talbert at the CFTC, both of whom continue to educate relevant parties on the benefits of crypto. As the acting comptroller put it, there are risks, but the benefits can't be thrown out because there are risks. Bah! So earlier this year, the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency had issued a letter clarifying that banks have a legal precedent to provide traditional banking services for digital assets. Look! They can provide the services, traditional banking services for crypto assets, digital assets. But reportedly, this gave rise to crypto custody companies like Anchorage and Coinbase being contacted by banks to discuss being third-party custody providers. So what's funny is so let's do a little yap. Obviously, you can see I'm trying to get through this really fast, but we have to talk about our money. These elections will happen all night long. So look. So you remember when he first said banks could custody crypto, I thought, wow, that kind of sucks. I mean, you just work for Coinbase and they offer custody, and now you're making competitors. But what it looks like the banks are really going to do is, instead of just building their own custody services from scratch, they just might use Coinbase. They might use, well, it says right here, right? Third-party, hold on, where's my shit? Third-party custody providers for national banks whose customers wanted to invest in Bitcoin. So, actually, it might have opened up clients for Coinbase and for their custody service, right? So I thought it was the opposite. I thought maybe the banksters would just, all right, let's just do our own. But, well, we'll see. So anyways, let's move on. According to Brooks, it is likely the banks will prefer to buy crypto custodians or partner with them now that they can legally do that, rather than set up this complex process on their own. Right, so it's just easier maybe just to buy a fucking custodian. I mean, they have all the money in the world. They are the banks. If I'm Charles Schwab and I want to custody crypto, I just buy a crypto company. Custody company, right? Crypto custody company. Hey, everybody. We're going to buy you. You're going to be our custodian and bang. So look, Brooks also noted that after the OCC letter was issued, the price of most crypto assets went up, a development that he interpreted as a signal from the market that institutions felt safer investing in an asset that had custody in the bank. Exactly, custody in the bank. Of course, if you give me custody in my bank, fuck, I'll buy all the crypto you want. Daggone. I mean, I buy it now, but yeesh. Tell you, I'm paranoid, man. Paranoid. He concluded by claiming, based on early pipeline inquiries, there will be more crypto banks soon. And this is our chairman of the OCC. So, bah! Good news, crypto folk. I tell you, next year I think we're going to rocket ship. Now that the banks are here, they just got to, well, for here in America anyway, I mean, well, over there in Europe too, right? They did their national, European Union wide. It's not a nation. It's a unity of governments. Whatever, man. You're one country. You're the United States of Europe. Grow up. So they did their national, I'm going to say it, crypto thing, and they are getting their banksters, remember? This month, November, remember? And the banks are going to get approved or disapproved this month in Germany and in Switzerland. Wait, not Switzerland. But anyway, look, somewhere in Germany, right? Remember 40 banks applied to be crypto custodians? Well, they're going to learn if they got accepted or not this month sometime. I don't remember the date. But that's what matters, you need, once the banksters get in here, well, obviously they're going to advertise those services. Well, once they advertise those services, people will feel safer. People will feel safe, right? All right, man, let's just move on. I got to get out of here. I love talking to you guys too much, man. I'm going to fucking miss the election, daggone. Keep yapping like this. Let's get out of here. Slappy, led by the bang. Oh, and speaking of you boys, speaking of everybody. So look, great. I'm glad everyone got that Circles UBI. And now everyone's verified, so you can each verify each other. And so look, if anyone wants to get Circles UBI, Universal Basic Income, come and talk to me. I have a chat room for this, what do you call this thing? Cryptocurrency blockchain news. I have a Twitter account and I have a chat room in there. And all the brothers in there, oh yeah, they're all UBI'd up, baby. Look, coming to get this free money. And so if you want that UBI, just say Shomari. Just tweet me, Shomari, can you add me to the chat room? I'll add you to the chat room, and then all you got to do is just post your UBI thing. Believe me, you'll be finally, now that everyone's fucking verified, yeah, you put your UBI thing in there, you'll be verified in about half hour, buddy. So come get every person watching this channel, get your Circles UBI from me and my crew. We are here to give you the verifications, the trusts that you need, and you'll be good to go, dog. Look, how much this is going to be worth? Who knows? But it's free money. Well, it's free something. So we'll take it. All right, Sloppy. Hold down the northern insurgency. Led by the sea brother. Bye. Look, Hawking. Led by the sea brother. Bye. Yes. Who's this guy? Mo Jallo, co-founder. Hold on, let me read this crap. Hold on. What's this guy talking about? Co-founder. What? Zimri Music. Strategic IT consultant, entrepreneur, blockchain advocate, keynote speaker, tennis player, and coach. Oh, yeah, you're quite the Renaissance man. Look, Larry the Zebra, the bang. Edwin. Look, crazy Edwin. Whoops. Got right up in his shit. Look, the original Larry the Zebra, the bang. Holy Edwin. Yes, Edwin. Here comes election night, Edwin. Oh, yeah. What's America going to look like tomorrow? Yeah. I dare these fucksticks to start some trouble around these parts. I dare them. If the cops don't get them, we will. Look, Larry the Zebra, the bot. Oh, yeah. Some white supremacists want to come around these parts or something. I'm going to come around. We got a lot of ex-military around these parts. So look, Benjamin, Biniam. Oh, wait. So first of all, Biniam, Larry the Zebra, the bot. CB News, what, Biniam? This week is going to be volatile. Today, U.S. election, the 4th and 5th, we have the Board of Governors of the Federal Reserve System. Oh, well, the Board of Governors thing ain't really shit, but yes, we have the elections, but I think Trump is realizing that his chances of winning are slim, and if he loses here in Florida tonight in about 2 hours, actually one more hour, it's 6:33 right now. If he loses tonight, The polls close here, so we'll know the numbers in 1 hour here in Florida. If he loses Florida, he loses it all. And, the truth is he can yell and scream all he wants, but this is America. It's not a dictatorship. And so the process continues, and, he can embarrass himself and be thrown out by the Secret Service of the White House, or he can leave with in a dignified manner. And so I think that's beginning to set in. Well, that's not to say he's going to lose. I'm not saying he's going to lose. We don't know who's going to lose. We don't know who's going to win right now tonight, right? So that's why we got to watch it. And so, but the polls aren't looking good for him. If he loses Florida, here where I am, he's lost it. That's it. And so, good riddance. All right, CB News. No wonder cannabis, what? Trafficking is up. 10-cent claims. What are you talking about, motherfucker? Weed? A bit of weed. Look, as its 5-year anniversary gala graced celebrities, esports stars, and orchestras, 10 cents mobile game, Honor of Kings. What? Anyway, man, I don't know about all that. I don't know about that video. I don't know what you're trying to say there. But, yes, anything, weed is good weed. All right, CB News. Yes, Biniam. Hong Kong prepares for next era of fintech. You daggone right. They're gonna regulate their exchanges there, and let's see what happens. CB News. Fintechs take on the banks in their own game. You can try to take on the banks all you want. Some digital startups in the U.S. are beginning to accept customer deposits. Anyway, good luck with that. Soccer mom and dad aren't going to fucking fall for that. Bang! Holy Biniam, you're just on a rampage. CB News. Yes, Biniam. What? Daggone. I love you, brother. And I love these stories. Because they're actually stories I would talk about, but just, they're not up to our standards. The Cayman Islands is building a regulatory framework for cryptocurrency firms, with the first measures already enacted. Oh, Cayman Islands. Of course they are. You want to launder some money, you got to go through the Cayman. Bang! We don't know. We'll see. Look. All right, where is everybody, man? All right, Benny, man, I'm done talking to you. I'm done. Everyone? No one's around? Where's everybody? All right, we're going to just go right here then, because we got to go. I got to go, man. Edward Dicko and the Dicko family. The family of cryptos together stays together. Let everybody see brother. Bye. I got to watch this fiasco tonight. Andrew Richetta. Let everybody see brother. Bye. Gut dang. Let everybody see brother. Bye. Oh, yeah, we're rapid firing banging tonight. Deep Entertainment. Oh, brother. Look. Let everybody see brother. Bye. No Forex tonight. Like I said, we're not trading yet. And Ballet Crypto Wallet. Let everybody see brother. Bang. All right, let's get out of here. Bang. Let's get back. Fuck this. Let's just bang, head back to the Death Star and let's get it over with. Look. Bang, here we are. Bang, here I am. All right, guys. So we had a great show for you today. Boom, boom, boom. What? We have elections right now. Yeah, 1 hour. The Florida election numbers are going to be called. Bang, bang. Holy bang. All right, let's just go. All right, VeChain Protects Trade Conference. So it's one event, right? So the trade conference is the event, but then all the hotels around that convention center are being VeChained up, right? They're all doing the VeChain My Care solution to make those they're a bunch of rich guys, make them feel safe. And it's a one event thing, but look, if it works, I don't see why the hotels would stop using it. They would just say, all right, well, let's just keep using this thing, VeChain. And so onboarding for VeChain, as far as I look at it, we'll see, whatever. And then, bang, Mongolian Bank offering crypto service. And so, like I said, the banking industry, that's what is going to bring us our full, it's the reality of the situation, the full deal. All right, let me talk like an adult here. They're going to bring, it's the legitimacy, the feeling of safety. Well, not feeling of, you are safe. At least here in America, if you're FDI, if you have a bank account, it's FDIC insured. You're insured up to $250,000. So if you have up to $250,000 of Bitcoin in there and it gets stolen, which it never will because our banks don't get hacked, but if by some genius hacker that happened, North Koreans or something, all right, well, your bank will just give you the fucking Bitcoin back. No problem. So I love it. And, this is what, on a global scale, like I said, the world's been waiting to see what is America going to do? What is America going to do? And once our guy, Brian Brooks, the guy that I showed you, the chairman of the OCC, he allowed our banks to offer crypto custody. Yeah, every bank, every country is now rushing. Let me put it this way. All the banksters in their countries are all demanding from their politicians, we need it too, and their regulators, we need it. And so I expect to see this happening just country after country after country after country, until they all can custody. I mean, it's going to be custodying crypto in your bank is going to be the norm down the road, right? Your this ledger crap, this ghetto shit right here we're dealing with, we're putting up with right now, that's not going to be how it's going to be. You'll be having in a regular financial institution, nice, safe, sound, custodied, and insured. Bang! All right, let's move on. And then finally, the OCC guy, he says it, more crypto banks are coming. And so, obviously, man, they're not fucking stupid. And so, and let's get real about what the beauty of the banking industry is as well, is that, they're going to advertise this crypto. They're going to advertise these services, which is going to bring awareness to the average citizen. You have to remember, you and I, you watching this channel, you're steeped in crypto. You've got a warehouse full of it. Yeah, most people don't. Most people don't even know what a Bitcoin is. With the digital money thing, I think I heard something. Okay, you and I are not the norm. But once the banksters start coming around, they're going to obviously want to offer their services. So they're going to educate their customers, and eventually it will be the norm. And so just a great thing all around. And so that's why the banksters, like I've been telling you from this beginning of this channel, once the banksters and the pros, the professional guys get in here, I told you they were going to take this place over and make it real, make it a real functioning asset class, that's going to be here forever. Just like the stock market, here forever. And so good for us, good for crypto, good for the multiverse. All right, let me get to these elections. All right, anyway, let's just get to these elections. I got to get out of here. All right, so subscribe here, press the bell. You get an automatic notification when I do the show. The greatest show on earth. The greatest show in the multiverse. Look, my name is Shomari Clarke. Live talking money. Bye. Live talking crypto. It's the favorite time of my day. So thanks for having me in your home, and I will see you tomorrow. Hopefully not in an apocalyptic America, but hopefully I'll be able to talk to you in peace and quiet. So until tomorrow, subscribe here. Bye. Watch that video here. Bye. I'll see you guys tomorrow. My name is Shomari Clarke. Always watching on money. Bye. And I'm always on duty. Yes. Over and out.